Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up, what up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dunga Yard. What up, pretty? Welcome you all, my new subscribers. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey, you all. Welcome to the Jamaican kitchen. You're my reason for the season, you all. You are my reason for being on YouTube. Welcome once more. Now, BGG boss, I see I set the trend. One to my male subscribers, them. Big up on yourself, large up. I want to hear more from you all. But you know what happened? You seem to be getting, I feel like you're getting left out. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to start rubber up in our blender for the man then. Yeah, we're coming up with some punches for you all. Some knockout punches for you all. So we're going to start rubber up in our blender. Some old time, long time Jamaican roots we are going to boil. And we're going to sort out some something and set it up for male subscribers. I want to get you all in. Okay? Now today this little video is about pressured fried chicken. Yes, pressured fried chicken. So right over here we have a pressure cooker and we have some oil in there. Reasonable amount. Maybe this is about like 7 or 8 cups of oil right in there. If you are doing more, then you would more chicken, then you would proceed to use more oil. Now we have some chicken seasoned up over here, mostly herbs. You know my thing is herbs. Yeah. So we're gonna proceed to we have some seasoned flour. Okay. This was seasoned up with all herbs, and this was just a little no salt, a little all-purpose Maggi, all-purpose to be exact, and a pinch of paprika. So what we are gonna do, this is a tie. We are gonna scrape all the herbs from them, all the herbs, because we don't want to get them burning. This is a tie, you all. Yes, this is a drumstick. People call it drumstick. In Jamaica we say leg. We got a wing right here. Let us scrape it and we're gonna fold our wing, you all. This is how we fold the wing. Sometimes it stays. This is how we fold to get that little part there. Sometimes they stay, sometimes they don't, like this. Okay, and don't crowd it too much. We have another thigh, so we're gonna just scrape some of it. No, we're gonna use a piece of breast because we're gonna use separate parts that when it come out you see what it looks like. So now we're gonna use our pointed knife to run some slots through our chicken. Our oil is being heated, and so we're gonna, if the wing isn't staying, sometimes they stay, family, sometimes they don't. We'd love this one to stay. So what we're gonna do now, you gotta get your hands dirty, y'all. Kitchen. So we're gonna put them in the flour coat here. Just flour, just plain flour, and a little baking powder. I forgot. A little bit of baking powder, plain flour, and we seasoned our chicken over here with herbs and a little salt and all of that. You know my thing, so season your chicken to your choice. If you're using powdered seasoning, please to go low. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna get our chicken all coated here inside the flour. A little Maggi all-purpose, a teeny bit of paprika, and probably about a tablespoon of baking powder. So we have there, and we're getting our hands all dirty. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. This is the kitchen. So what we want to do, we want to test with a little more flour. Yes? And our oil seems like it's a bit right there. So what we're going to do now, we're going to dust the excess flour from the chicken pieces, and we're going to drop it right into our oil. Yes? And you see the temperature is right where it's supposed to be for fried chicken. Right in. Be careful, you all. Don't crowd your pot too much. Give it some space. And I'm going to wash my hands over here. You know, we're dealing with the chicken. Not rinse, but wash with your soap. And let me take this opportunity to welcome you all, my new subbies that have been subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Jamaican cooking journey. Now we are going to cover. We're pressuring. So we're going to cover our pressure cooker. Why is this giving me some trouble? Must be too cold. Seems to be too cold, family. Oops. Why are we having crabs? We want it to start the pressure to build up. Okay, we're right there. So we're gonna leave it for another 5 minutes. We're gonna wait until you hear your pressure building up. We wanna wait, and from the pressure start building up, it will be about 3.5 to 4 minutes from the pressure start building up. So we're waiting until we hear our pressure building. Yeah. You can touch your weight. Don't be afraid, man. I know some people are afraid of the pressure cooker. Right? So we are there. We have the chicken in there. And now look at the flame. I know you're going to ask me about the flame. We're going to put it down from a bit. We started it on high. So we got to move it down. That is like about probably medium, I would say. When you start it, you put it down to about medium. So 4 minutes from now, we will come back. At that time, yes, are you hearing? The pressure is building. My mouth is so loud. So the pressure is building. So 4 minutes from now, we will come back. We'll open our pressure, let you see it, and then we'll test to see what is happening for our chicken. We gotta flip them to another side, to the other side, sorry, and then we are gonna show you and how many more minutes we are gonna leave it on. Yes, fam, we are right back. Camera girl, what I want you to do, I want you to come near that they can hear the sizzle. Because we turn down the flame to medium, you wouldn't get that hard sizzle, because you know it takes a lot of heat to make the pressure and for the weight to dance. Okay, so we're gonna turn off our flame right now, and we're gonna go right in. But remember, you know, we're gonna have to let out the steam. Stand back a big, camera girl. The pressure cooker is safe, family. Once you know to operate with the pressure cooker, when this is up, it's not safe. When this is get right in. When this part is up, it's not safe to open. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pry our weight away from you. Okay, that end from you away, not towards you. We're gonna let out the steam. Some people put a little water. I don't try to do that because you might not have your pressure cooker as long. So you sort of pry the weight away from you. Okay, y'all? And as soon as this part goes down on its own, if you want to put it to the, but remember you might put it there and water go down inside through some little, I don't know. But as soon as this goes down, this part, it's safe to open it. So we're just, because it's a lot of steam that, like you're pressuring like oxtail and peas, that amount of steam wasn't built up in it, you know, because we had it at medium. So, you know, you don't have that amount of pressure in there. It was like on medium. So the sizzle would be just like medium sizzle, and the steam building up in there would be like medium. So we're waiting until we have right here go down. When we get right here down, it will be time to open up our pressure. Now it's down. So we're going to proceed to open our pressure. See, it's safe. And we're going right in. Now that we have opened it, we're going to notch up back our flame because the heat is going down. So we're going to notch up back our flame, yeah. Then we're going to look at it. As soon as we notch up our flame, we're going to go right in. And this is what we have. We're going to turn them to the other side. Okay, you all? Look at the leg. So we're going to turn it. Each high, up high. We're going to turn it to the other side. Look at them. This is the thigh. So we're turning it to the other side. And this is the wing, y'all. So we're turning it to the other side. Mind you, we could put some more, but we didn't want to crowd up our pressure. Now that we have it like that, we're going to set it up back. We're going to close it up on high heat. Okay, y'all? We're going to close it up on high heat. Yes. Lid up. We're waiting on this to flip up. Soon as this flip up, you know we're gonna put it down back to medium. We're waiting our pressure. I would say this is our pressure control or something. But as soon as it flips up, the pressure builds up in there. So we're waiting on it. As soon as it flip up, we're gonna reduce it back to medium, and we're gonna wait, and we're gonna go 4 minutes on the other side, or about 3 to 3.5 minutes, but 4 is the maximum. And then as soon as this flips, we're gonna lower back our flame to medium, and then we will return in another 4 minutes, and you see what our pressure fried chicken look like. They're supposed to be fried, juicy and nice and all of that. So we're waiting on our, because it needs a lot of heat, so that's why I have to put it up on high, and as soon as it starts, the pressure builds up inside of it, and this comes up, I reduce it to medium. Okay, y'all, so we're waiting on this to flip. And in the meantime, in between time, if you're new to my channel, once more, welcome, and thank you for making it West Indian Delights. Thank you for tuning in to the Jamaican, or coming on to the Jamaican cooking journey, you all. Okay, and I see that you're all sharing the videos and you're subscribing, so I would like you to subscribe some more. We're waiting on our thing. Oh yes, it's up. So now we're gonna lower our flame just to the same medium. So when we return in another 3.5 to 4 minutes, our chicken will be ready. We'll take it out, we'll cut, we'll show you the texture and all of that. Pressured fried chicken, y'all. Remember, you know, Christmas is coming up. There'll be menus. You know my swag different, fam. So our thing I got different, you know. Our Christmas swag is gonna be different. So y'all, keep subscribing. Keep your notifications on. Okay? Our Christmas swag, our Christmas menu and Christmas dinner, all of them something there. Our swag is gonna be different. It's gonna be off the chain, y'all. Okay? Yes, family, we are right back. And get in, let me hear the little sizzle. I hope you all hearing it. So we are proceeding to turn our flame off, and as usual we're gonna away from you all. Yeah, be careful when you're doing this, because we have to do it like this because we don't want the oil of the chicken absorbing the oil. We can't, you know, so we're trying to get the steam out. Okay, we don't want it staying there absorbing the oil. So you all be careful when you're doing this. Oh, some of you all that has Instapot, you can use your Instapot. Okay. So when your chicken is fried, you know, it have a specific smell. So I got that smell. I was timing it, and also I got the smell. Tells you that it's ready. When your chicken is properly fried, there's a specific smell that you get. That you, if you're cooking for a certain period of time and you're in on cooking and stuff, you'll know when your fried chicken is ready. It has a specific smell, so you'll know. Okay? So we're waiting on this to drop down, but we are gonna try. Because my one is very elderly, so let's try. I want something that I can grip it more. My pressure cooker is very elderly, depending on the nature of your pressure cooker, y'all. No, it can't, because we have to get out some more of this steam. Remember, away from you. Some people are afraid of pressure cooker. I'm not. Away from you. The difference with it and the Instapot is like it's automatic. This is sort of not really all that automatic. You see what happened? All the steam wasn't out. And we have to wait until the steam is out. Okay, it's out now. This is dropped. Or this has dropped. Not it has dropped. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, it's open. So we're going to go right in. So camera girl, get right in. Let us see what is happening. Yes, y'all. This is our drumstick or our leg. This is the wing. Yes, crispy and nice. This is the breast, y'all. Yup. And this is the thigh. This is the thickest part that it gives a lot of trouble. This is always the thickest part when we're frying chicken. Now, family, let me get everything out of the way. It's really hot. But what I'm gonna do right here and right now, I want to get right in with my knife I'm a fork. And the thickest part is the thigh. The hardest part to be cooked is the thigh. So I'm gonna go right in on the thigh. And I wanna get it cut in two. It's pressured, so the bone is sort of more, it's softer. I wanna get right in on the thigh. Get right in, camera girl. When the chicken is properly fried and you open it, this is what it looks like. You don't see any bloody water or anything running. It tells you that the chicken is properly fried. Whether you do it in the pressure cooker, in your deep fryer, or simply inside your stove, your pot on top of your stove. This is what the chicken looks like when it is fried. This is a piece of the breast, you all. Right in, camera girl. When the chicken is not properly fried, and you open it, you see the bloody and the water running out. And listen to me, from the thigh is ready and the breast is ready, it simply means that the wing and the drumstick, they are super ready. So now, there you have it. From my kitchen to yours, it's fried chicken inside your pressure cooker. If you have your Instapot, you can proceed to use it and follow the instructions. But to me, me can use my pressure cooker, but you can use your pressure cooker. All you have to do when you're letting out the steam, just be careful. If you don't want to let out the steam, that like I do, wait until this part here drop. You can wait, but when you wait, you got to have to tatate your chicken because it might stay in there and absorb too much oil. So don't do as I do. Wait until that part there drops when it is safe. Okay, let me clarify it. Wait until when that part drops and it is safe, then you open your pot. So you know you got to drain. Because see, my one is, I hardly even have grease. So now family, you know, so I'm going to eat piece at a time. So there you have it, family. From my kitchen to yours. From my kitchen to your plate. It is fried chicken inside your pressure cooker. Okay, y'all? Remember, Christmas coming up. I just told you, we're going to have some Jamaican Christmas dinner menu. Our swag is going to be different, y'all. Just keep your notifications on. You don't want to miss out. Because I'm just not going to come here and demonstrate to you. You're going to get in. You're going to get in on it. You're going to get in. Because you all who have never cooked Jamaican, this is the first Christmas you're going to place your Jamaican Christmas dinner. Yo, our swagger got turned up, we think I got turned up. And from my kitchen again to yours, it's pressured fried chicken. Family, me that talk little because I want this we call it artisanal. You hear the crunch? Okay, y'all? If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, continue sharing the videos, and remember to leave your comments below. Remember, we are trying to build a Q&A. Please try to put your input so we can just get about like a certain amount where we can sit and we can chat Jamaican. I can give you ideas and so forth, and you can ask questions. You also can give me some. Debbie from the yard, cut me a cut, you know.